directly preceding it is a description of Mary's freedom from sin. Undefiled means unblemished, unsullied, not desecrated, or not polluted. Mary is mother undefiled because she was not polluted by this world. She was thus uncontaminated by sin. She possesses God's pure life in a very perfect way. May Mary, the mother undefiled, free us from all defilement. Amen. Mary, mother undefiled.